Yes, my dear students, we are checking the correctness of what the few equations. Let me take the third example here. Third example, that is example number 3. Check the correctness of S is equals to ut plus half at square. We are checking the correctness of an equation S is equals to ut plus half at square. You know very well, according to principle of homogeneity, the given equation is said to be a correct equation provided all the terms in an equation should have the same dimensions. What is the meaning of all the terms here? S is a first term, ut is a second term, half at square is a third term. If dimensions of S, dimensions of ut and dimensions of what? Half at square are same, then this equation is said to be correct equation. Okay? Come to the solution now. Solution. What is the first term in the equation? S it is. What is the meaning of S here? S is distance. S is distance. What is the dimensional formula for a distance? It is simply L, or else I can write M0, L1, T0. This is the dimensional formula for first term in the equation. That is equation number 1. Then comes the second term, ut, u into t. What is u here? U is initial velocity. Initial velocity multiplied by t is time. U is initial velocity multiplied by t is time here, which is equals to initial velocity is nothing but it is a velocity. Therefore, what is the dimensional formula? M0 L1 t power minus 1. This is the dimensional formula for initial velocity multiplied by time. Multiplied by time. What is time? T power 1. Okay? Concentrate here. M0 L1. Here we have t power minus 1 multiplied by t power plus 1. As I said you, if bases are same, power should be added here. Bases are same, then the power should be added. Here t power minus 1, here t power plus 1. Total it will become t power 0. Therefore, what I can write? M0 L1 t power 0. This is the dimensional formula for second term. Okay? Next comes half at square. Half at square. Half is a number multiplied by. What is A? A is acceleration. A is acceleration multiplied by t square. What is t square? Time. Time is square. Okay? What is half here? Half is a number. As I said, numbers are dimensionless. Numbers here dimensions irrelevant. Therefore, the number should be neglected in the dimensions because numbers are dimensionless here. Half is a number. I am neglecting. Acceleration dimensional formula M0 L1 t power minus 2. Time square. Time dimensional formula is a t. Square is t square. Next, here t square minus 2, here t square plus 2. T square minus 2, t square plus 2. Bases are same. Add the powers. Minus 2 should be added to the plus 2. Total it will become 0. Therefore, what I can write? I can write this as M0 L1 t power 0. This is the dimensions of the third term. That is equation 3. What is the conclusion? First term, that is S, m0 L1 T0. Second term, that is ut. Second term is ut. Ut dimension is also m0 L1 T0. Third term, half at square. Its dimensions is also m0 L1 T0. What is the conclusion? All the terms in the equation have the same dimensions. Hence, the equation is correct. Then what is the conclusion? All the terms in S is equals to ut plus half at square have same dimensions. Therefore, equation is correct. Therefore, this equation is a correct equation. Okay? Okay, dear students, I will go for the next example. In the last class, we checked correctness of what? A few equations with the help of principle of homogeneity. Now I will go for one more equation. Check the correctness of an equation t is equals to 2 pi under root of L by G. We are checking the correctness of an equation t is equals to 2 pi square root of L by G. It is a formula which is used to calculate the time period of a pendulum. I guess you know the meaning of pendulum. Lolaka ante karitivi, that is called pendulum. T is called a time period of a pendulum. So about simple pendulum we are going to discuss in the lesson called oscillation. Mundina lesson nalli study ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. Just this is the formula which is used to calculate the time period of the pendulum. My aim is to check whether this equation is correct or wrong. Okay? T is time here, time period. L is length here. And G stands for acceleration due to gravity. Or else it is acceleration. Acceleration due to gravity is also acceleration due to the gravitational force. It is also one type of acceleration. The acceleration of a body due to the gravitational force, we will call it as a acceleration due to gravity here. Therefore, L is called length of a pendulum. G is called acceleration or acceleration due to gravity. And T is called time period. So, how many terms I have here? 2 terms. One term is in LHS. And another term is in RHS. We have to prove that dimensions of LHS should be equals to dimensions of what? RHS. LHS ಮತ್ತು RHS dimensions same ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದು prove ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. Then the equation is dimensionally correct. So first I will consider LHS here. T. What is T? T is a time period. Time period. Simply we will call it as a time here. Time period is a time. Its dimensional formula is given by m0 L0 t power 1. Because dimensional formula for time is t. There is no m here, therefore m0. There is no L here, therefore L0. m0 L0 t power 1 is a dimensional formula for time period. Okay. Next term, RHS. What is RHS? The term in the RHS is 2 pi under root of L by G. Term in the RHS is 2 pi under root of L by G here. Okay. 2 pi as it is, square root of, what is L here? L is length. L is length divided by G is acceleration due to gravity, or simply I will call this as acceleration. because it is having the dimensions of what? Acceleration. 2 pi square root of L by G is given by 2 pi square root of L stands for length and G stands for what? Acceleration. Continue here. 2 pi is dimensionless. Negotiate it, neglect it. 2 pi ga dimensions illa bidtiri. ಉಳಿತೇನೆ ನನಗೆ under root of length. What is the dimensional formula for length? Dimensional formula for length is L. Simply L it is divided by acceleration. What is acceleration? m0 L1 t power minus 2. This is the dimensional formula for acceleration. Next terminal nodre. Here L power 1, here L power 1. L power 1 gets cancelled. Here m power 0. Negotiate it. Udite namige t power minus 2. Take this t power minus 2 to the numerator, it will become t power plus 2. So what it is? Next you can consider which is equals to under root of what? L1 gets cancelled, m0, t power minus 2 I am taking to the numerator, it will become t power plus 2. You all know square and square root will get cancelled. Therefore, square root will get cancelled with square. Therefore, what I can write? Only I left with t. Square root matte square cancel ಆಯ್ತು. ಉಳಿತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಬರೀ t. Therefore, what I can write now? m0, L0, t power 1. This is the dimensions of what? RHS. Dimensions of LHS is m0, L0, t1. Dimensions of RHS. RHS ಏನಿದೆ 2 pi under root of L by G. Its dimension is m0, L0, t1. Therefore, all the terms have the same dimensions. The equation is correct. What I can write now? The terms in an equation what? T equals to 2 pi under root of L by G have same dimensions. Therefore, this equation is correct. So, this is the conclusion. So, this is how we are going to check the correctness of the given equation. Okay? I will go for the next example here. I will go for the next example. Check the correctness of an equation v is equals to under root of gm divided by r. Check the correctness of an equation v is equals to under root of gm divided by r, where v is called velocity, g is called what? Universal gravitational constant. G is called universal gravitational constant. M is mass and R is radius. M is mass and R is radius. So we are going to check the correctness of what? The given equation. Okay. V. What is V? It is velocity. V is velocity. What is the dimensional formula for velocity? The dimensional formula for velocity is given by m0 L1 t power minus 1. So this is the dimensional formula for velocity. This is the LHS of the equation. So RHS of the equation is under root of gm divided by r, under root of gm divided by r, which is equals to, what is g? Gravitational constant. Substitute the dimensional formula of gravitational constant. What is m? Mass. Substitute the dimensional formula of mass. What is r? Radius. Radius is nothing but length. Radius andre length. Substitute the dimensional formula for radius, that is length. You can get the dimensional formula of RHS. The dimensional formula of LHS should be equals to dimensional formula of what? RHS. Then the equation is correct. So G dimensional formula, if you didn't remember the dimensional formula for G, easily I can obtain by using the formula F is equals to what? G m1 m2 by d square, or G is equals to what? Fd square divided by m1 m2. Simplify. Force m1 L1 t power minus 2. Distance square, that is L square. Here m1 m2 masses, therefore m square. Take m square to the numerator, it will become m to the power minus 2. Therefore the dimensional formula will become m power minus 1 L power 3 t power minus 2. So this is the dimensional formula for gravitational constant. Already we done with that dimensional formula. Just to substitute here. What is the dimensional formula for a gravitational constant? M power minus 1 L power 3 t power minus 2. This is the dimensional formula for gravitational constant multiplied by mass, that is m, mass, divided by what? Divided by radius. Radius is nothing but it is a length here. Radius is nothing but it is a length. Therefore, next m to the power minus 1 get cancelled with m to the power plus 1. Further, we left with under root of L to the power 3. Take this L to the power 1 to the numerator. It will become L to the power minus 1. It will become L to the power minus 1. Already I have L to the power 3 there. Therefore, total it will become L to the power 2. Okay. T to the power minus 2. L to the power 2, T to the power minus 2. Continue the calculation. Next I can write this as what? Square root, under square root L to the power 2, T to the power minus 2. Okay. So, L square square root. L square square root. What happens? 2 and square root will get cancelled. 2 and square root will get cancelled. L square, separate square root thonda, L square into square root. L square square root multiplied by what? T to the power minus 2 square root. Under square root it is. So if you take the separate square root for what? L square as well as T to the power minus 2. What happens? L square square root. Square and square root will get cancelled. Therefore I left with L power 1. Correct? T to the power minus 2 square root. T to the power minus 2 square root. 2 and square root will get cancelled. I left with T to the power minus 1. Are you getting my point? Square root ಮತ್ತೆ square get cancel. ಈ 2 ಮತ್ತೆ square root cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಮತ್ತೆ square root cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Therefore I left with L power 1 T power minus 1. Or else what I can write now? M power 0 L power 1 T power minus 1. This is the dimensional formula for what? RHS. Therefore LHS and RHS both have same dimensions. Therefore, the given equation is a correct equation. The given equation is a correct equation. Okay. I will give few examples as homework. I will give few examples as homework, and you can try at home and try to check the correctness of those equations. Okay, take these examples here. Check the correctness of following equations. Following equations. First one, P is equals to rho GH. P is equals to rho GH, where P is pressure, P andre pressure, rho is density, G is acceleration, and H is height. Already I have given the meaning of all the terms here. P is pressure. Find the dimensional formula for pressure for LHS. LHS nalli dimensional formula for pressure ಬರೀತೀರಿ. RHS ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದ first term density multiplied by acceleration multiplied by what? Height. Dimensional formula for LHS should be equals to dimensional formula for what? RHS. Then the equation is correct. So this is first one. Second one, E equals to mc square. E is equals to mc square. Check the correctness of E is equals to mc square. What is E here? E stands for energy. E is energy, and M stands for mass, and C stands for speed of light. C stands for speed of light, or simply C na ಏನು ಬರಬಹುದು ನಾನು, I will call this as speed. Okay, C square ಅಂದ್ರೆ speed square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, LHS ನಲ್ಲಿ energy, RHS ನಲ್ಲಿ mass into speed square. Mass into speed square. LHS dimension should be equal to RHS dimension. If LHS dimension and RHS dimensions are same, then the given equation is a correct one. You can check the correctness of the equation. Second one. Third one, K is equals to half mv square. K is equals to half mv square. You have to check the correctness of this equation. K is equals to half mv square. What is K here? K is called kinetic energy, or simply it is energy. K is kinetic energy, or simply energy. Okay. What is M? M stands for mass, and V is velocity. V is velocity. Therefore, it should be velocity square. Okay. LHS dimension should be equal to what? RHS dimension. You can check correctness of what? Three equations which are also used in the what? Physics. Which are also used in the physics it is. Okay. You try these examples. In the next class, I will come with one more application of what? The dimensions. As of today, so these many equations are enough to check their correctness. Okay. The next session, when I come to the next session, I will come with one more application of what? The dimensions. We'll stop here only. Okay.